I'm Lily Stolzberg. We're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Vinny, who is going to cook up, I'm sure, something amazing.
Lily, today we're doing an Italian classic.
Yes.
We are doing braciole. This is plastic wrap.
Okay.
We are creating an even cooking surface so the meat cooks evenly. So we're gonna start with some seasoned breadcrumbs, putting a little provolone down. Now we're gonna take some sweet soppressata. Now we're gonna take some golden raisins. Golden raisins are gonna go down. Now we're gonna take a bunch of Pecorino Romano and now a whole lot of parsley. So you're gonna roll the braciole. It's gonna be one string, and at the end I can cut it and just pull the whole thing off. So I'm gonna get a little extra virgin olive oil into our hot saute pan over here, and we're gonna place this right into the saute pan. This should be browned off enough now. We're gonna take our nice marinara sauce, and we're gonna pour that right over the top. We're gonna seal this tight, and we're gonna put it in an oven at around 300 degrees for like 2.5, 3 hours, okay? Look at this. This is it.
Look at that.
it. So I'm gonna cut that string. We're gonna gently slice through it. I'm gonna plate a little bit there like that. We're gonna take this sauce and we're just gonna get it all over the top. And that is Nonna's braciole.
Yeah, so don't mess with it, but definitely make it. So head to our website, newspelv.com, and you'll find the recipe there. Let's try this. Yum.
My pleasure as always.